Hey guys, welcome back to Sneaky Sensei here on YouTube. Okay then, you lovable gits, I'm bringing you guys another awesome video of another unboxing. And by now, okay, you guys should know about me. There's one small little detail I should really tell you guys, or by now, that if you have been watching my videos for some time, you guys should know about this about me, okay? I am a walking bloody catastrophe, okay? Anything I get my hands on, okay, I would literally beat the living daylights out of it. I don't mean to, okay? I don't mean to. By accident, it just happens, okay? So, if you guys are wondering what I mean by that, let me enlighten you, lovely people. On last Sunday on Twitch, we were playing Bioshock. I had my iPhone on with charge with my block, and my iPhone fell off my table, and my plug, the wire, kind of got snapped, basically, okay? So, not my fault, but I am a walking catastrophe, I am. According to my sisters, they do say I am a walking catastrophe, and by now, you guys should know that as well, okay? Love ya. Tell you what happened to me was that my little sister was watching the stream, and once that wire, fully got busted, basically, she comes to me the very next morning when I was having breakfast. She goes to me, dude, I saw your stream last night, and here you go. Here's a new, iPhone charger wire, basically. And I was like, oh, thank you very much. Well, I didn't realize, actually, I already bought myself a new charger. So I thought to myself, though, today, why not do an unboxing of this one, and I can show you guys one of I purchased. Okay, I am so sorry, I cannot talk. Also, another smaller thing though, please, if you're ever using scissors or anything like that, please be extra careful. I don't want no one out there yelling at me or swearing me in the comments below, or an angry mob after Sensei, okay? Love ya. Just saying. Love you guys. Love you. Which I would really do love you guys. For the 201 subscribers, guys, thank you so much. You guys are the best. You guys are the freaking best. So thank you very much. Thank you. Love you guys. Yes, I am still filming. Thank God for that then. Actually, I want to say at least. To be honest though, I think everyone here in the UK is just waiting for the lockdown to end. I mean, by the time that you guys are watching this, hopefully that this stupid COVID-19 crap is over, and everyone is like getting on with their lives, so to speak. Sorry guys, I cannot seem to get into this. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. So this is what Sensei purchased. Sorry, one second. This is a wireless charger, 3-in-1. 3-in-1. That actually does look pretty awesome. That really does look pretty awesome. Actually, would I mod the camera actually? Sorry guys, one sec. Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, so basically this is a 3-in-1. So it's an iPhone with charger, an iWatch, and also if you guys have any like wireless headphones of Apple's, you guys can recharge 3 items at once, okay? And forgive me though, this just looked really cool. This did so much. That actually did look really awesome. That really did. If you guys would like to see this as well, look in the link box below, you guys. I'll leave the link there so you guys can go to Amazon and check it out yourself, okay? But so far, if you guys have enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and please subscribe. If you guys do subscribe, please activate that notification bell so next time I do a stream or upload, you guys will be the first to know, okay? Love ya. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, this is awesome. Oh, wow. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, actually. One sec. No, dude, they can't. Sorry, guys, one sec. Oh, wow. Okay, this is awesome. That is so awesome. I'm hoping to God this will work, actually. I'm not joking with you guys. Seriously, I'm not joking with you guys, because, like, I've seen, like, different recharges on social media, such as in Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. So at this moment though, this is the reason why I'm having doubts in my head, just seeing that if this is gonna be legit. Okay, one second. Ooh, double. Ooh. Okay, sorry. So that ooh was just for me, okay? That was just for me, no one else, okay? Love you guys. Okay, so here we have the instructions. Well, I have the instructions. Okay. It's just gonna show you guys everything else, okay? Okay, this just looks simple, straightforward to me. This company does. 1 second, please. Take you guys off. Actually, I do have a place over on my window mantle that I would like to put this on. Oh, there. Okay, sorry. I wasn't really sure when if that was actually trying to tell me to do. Okay, cool, fab. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it was just like a USB port. You put it in there, and now you put this thing on recharge, and it should recharge my iPhone. So if you guys bear with me, actually, I'm gonna take you guys off my tripod, and I'll meet you guys back over on my windowsill in a minute, okay? So I'll see you guys in a bit. Love ya. And welcome back, guys. Okay, cool. So basically what I've got things set up basically. And so far, to be honest, I have my doubts about this, okay? I have my doubts because like multiple times when I see these things on like social media, I don't know if it's legit or if it's a scam, because there's one thing I've learned, okay, is that something like this here doesn't always go according to plan. And forgive me, okay, if this turns out to be legit, then just forgive me, okay, because though you guys have to understand about something, okay, technology has come like a very long way since 2000, okay, and sometimes though it's kind of hard for me to believe some few things out there, because I'm not sure if you guys have ever heard that expression, seeing is believing, so to speak. So that's my not my motto, but that's something that I do go by on. Okay, hope that makes sense. Love you guys. Okay, so I've got my iPhone. Oh no, you're kidding me! Oh crap, it works! Oh no! Seriously, it works! I was not expecting, by the tone of my voice here, you guys didn't quite believe. No, wait. Okay, seriously, you guys have to forgive me there, because really though, I was not expecting that. I'm being honest with you guys. No way, that is so cool. Oh man, that's like literally so cool, that is. That is like literally so cool. So I've got my iWatch. 1 second. Oh no. Oh, that's wicked! Even my watch recharges as well. Oh, that's so cool. But the only main thing I'm missing actually is the wireless headphones. That's all I'm freaking missing. Oh wow, I really love that. That is so cool. That is literally so cool. Oh, that is like so much freaking awesome. Oh, wicked. It does work. Oh wow. Yeah, no, but honestly, by the tone of my voice here, I was not expecting that to actually work. I'm not even bluffing, guys. I'm not even bluffing. I was not expecting this to work. Man, this is awesome. Oh no. That is freaking amazing. It's like so freaking awesome. Oh man, okay, cool. So I suppose then, guys, that does it for this unboxing actually. If you guys would like a review, okay, all you guys have to do, let me know in the comments below, should I not do a review? And I'll let you guys know so far when I think of this, because right now though, it's blown my mind out of the water completely, because I wasn't expecting this to work, okay? I was never expecting this to work, because, okay, here's the thing, okay? With the internet now these days, when we have sort of like TikTok, Discord, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, it is so easy for people to use After Effects and to trick us basically. So you really always can't believe one of you guys see on the internet, and this is the reason why I was having my doubts about this, because this did cost me just an arm, okay? This did cost me just an arm, because normally what I like to do, I like to save my money, and this is where there's something cheesy or stupid that happens to me, okay? Whenever I do save my money, okay, I always go after tech. I go after a new laptop, a new PC, a new iWatch, a new iPhone, or even after brand new video games just come out on the on the shelves, and I don't know, is there something weird about me, okay? And when I bought this, okay, I was having my doubts about it. I was like, surely this is never gonna work. It's never gonna work. But this has actually, surprised the heck out of me. Or, extended my expertise. Is that the word am I looking for? Guys, I'm not very good at words, okay? I am seriously not very good at words, okay? But so far, if you guys have really enjoyed this video, please, you know what to do, which is like, comment, share, and please subscribe. If you guys do subscribe, please activate that notification bell, so next time when I do a stream or upload, you guys be the first to know. But actually, I am very impressed and actually quite surprised that this actually does work. This really does work, because honestly though, I was not really much expecting this to work. And if you guys are wondering, this is my screensaver. This is of Sneaky Sensei. And if you guys would like to get yours as well, please head over to my Facebook gaming page. I have a shop set up there for you. All you guys gotta do is message me, and PayPal will be working by the time this video has been uploaded, actually. And all you guys gotta do is just hand me the money, and then I will email you guys back with a screensaver of your choice, and we can take it from there, okay guys? But just for now though, actually, this is actually pretty cool. I love this. Oh, I really do love that. That is so freaking awesome, that is. Okay, this is gonna be fun then. Well then guys, anyway though guys, if you really have enjoyed this video, please, you know what to do. Till next time guys, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next video then, okay? So take care, bye guys, thanks for watching, guys. See ya, bye.